Hey guys, it's Julie Willits, your nanopreneur, and I want to welcome you today to my live. I just want to give a huge shout out to all of those entrepreneurs, the moms and dads that are home with little ones trying to work their business, because I've had a little one yesterday and today, and I'll tell you what, it's a little different, and I was pretty tired, but I got it done. Hey Delilah, hey Justin. So today I'm going to just give you some tips from the book Harv Eker did. It was a little book and it was kind of cute, and he gave it away for free. So it was called The Good Millionaire. And so he really breaks it down very, very simply. I mean, you can read this book like maybe in an hour, or I don't know if you're really trying to absorb what it's saying, but it's just very simple and laid out very well. So I'm going to give a few tips today. Of course, number one is going to be your supporting beliefs. And if you do not have the right mindset, if you have all the carrying around all that disbelief about money, then you're not going to really understand how this is going to work for you. So of course, he says here, and I love this quote, thoughts lead to your feelings, which lead to your actions, which lead to your results. So let's think about that a minute. That is all about your self-improvement right there. And what you are on the inside is what you create your outer world, right? So I think that he really goes over that quite a bit in the book. So if you want to get that book, I'm sure it's still out there and available, and he'll send it to you for just the shipping cost. But I mean, he's well published, well known, and he's a good guy. He's one of those good guys that, you know, you can feel his heart, you can feel his energy, you can feel his soul. And that's why I really like him. And he is a bestseller. He's written many other books. And so if you've not been familiar with him in the past, you know, go check him out. So the other one, number two, is when you're starting a business. Hey, Lee, is to think about you're going to be solving problems for people. People are going to actually join you as a person, not because of the product itself, but whatever problem that you're going to solve for them is where they're going to see you are valuable to them. And that's when they're going to take out their credit card or anything else to actually join you. Hey, Tone, what's up? So you're going to be solving problems. And if you're going to be focusing on money, you might as well forget it, because money is something you will not earn if that's what you're focusing on. So number three, and this is very, very important, and some people, you know, miss this boat a little bit, is you have to decide what problem you're going to solve for people. You have to enjoy doing what you do, and you have to be passionate about it. Now, to me, I like teaching others. I like helping others. So to me, digital education and having something that I can share and the knowledge with others is very important to me, because that way I will, you know, I will be able to see them grow and thrive, right? So that's the path I have chosen. So, I mean, but if you're going to be out there and you're going to be selling skincare stuff, you know, you want to be able, people want to be able to see that your skin is nice, right? Like some of the girls that I am involved with and buy my products from, they have lovely skin. So I want my skin to look like their skin. So that's why I buy their stuff. Hey, Will, how you doing? Hi, Kelly. So, I mean, this is something that you have to really take into consideration. If you're into health and wellness, and I am for some part, because I am a really big advocate for CBD oil. And I've got to admit, I'm a little out of kilter right now because I have been out of my CBD oil for 9 days and it's supposed to arrive today. But that was my fault because I missed out on ordering in time. And then when it's just has not arrived yet. Now, I've been checking every day, my tracking number. But anyway, it should be here today. And I did try another one, and it just did not work for me. It was something that my roommate had that he had bought from another essential oil company, and I don't really know which one it was, but it didn't work for me at all. Did not help me one bit at all. So the other thing I want you to know is that I am involved in a 30-day challenge, right? And we are helping people get started to really build momentum with whatever business they may be having. We're teaching the right tools and the roadmap for your journey. Hey, Sherry. We're teaching the right tools and the roadmap for organic leads, which are very profitable, and that's what you really want to be looking for, right? And you have to have something laid out for you. We have a daily DMO that we all follow, and we have all kinds of different scripts that we can actually use for our business and in Messenger. And I've got to tell you a funny story. Yesterday, I got like this message from somebody that, hey, Jasmine, hey, from somebody that we weren't even friends. So I saw it in my other messages and I opened it up and it was something about earning money, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, okay. And I just found it a little bit odd. But so I messaged her back and I said, well, I'm not interested right now. But she even commented on one of my posts. She said, oh, but the only thing she put, I sent you a message, it probably went to your other messages. I'm like, yes, I saw it. So I was speaking with her last night and I was just like, okay, so you're going to pitch me. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. And then she wanted to know, is that working for you? And I was like, well, I usually don't send that information, but since you're going to pitch, I figured I would just let you know right off the bat what I'm doing. So she did not send, hey, Atif, how are you doing? She did not send a link or anything like that, but I just said, she said, well, I just want to know, is that working for you? And I was like, well, I usually don't do that, but let me tell you something. I usually speak with someone before I actually send out any information to make sure that this is where they're actually doing business. It's here on Facebook, if this is something that would be a good fit for them. And then I let them look at it after we've talked for a time or two. You know, I'm not just going to, just send the information out right off the bat. And she said, well, I'm taking the other approach in a more direct, as I have learned to do. And I was like, all right, well, good luck with that. And I don't know. I was just taken off guard by that a little bit, but I guess she says it works for her. And so I wish her much success. And of course, I'm sure she's using a mass messaging tool, and to do that, to be able to reach people that aren't even on her friends list. I'm not even sure how that works, but anyway. So I hope those little tips give you some insight on what you should be doing and what you should be thinking about if this is something you want to get started with in doing something online or network marketing, internet marketing, whatever you want to call it, affiliate marketing. We're all here in the same space and we're all trying to achieve the same thing. And we have different ways of doing it, different styles. But I think that I love mine, just like I love Harv Eker, about him being the good millionaire, not meaning that he's got a bunch of money going out there and helping other people all the time, which is a nice thought, but he's actually giving the tools so you can go out there and earn money. And that's the other thing he said, which I thought was kind of cute. He said, we don't make money. Actually, the only people that make money are the ones at the mint. Okay, guys, I'll let you go, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye now.